Back to my channel, myself Dr. Surbisani. Hope you are doing great. Now today I come forward to talk about the cutoff of previous year analysis along with the review of the UP dental colleges. That is the Uttar Pradesh private dental colleges with their cutoff. So without wasting time, let's start with the video. Anyone new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming video. Now back to the topic. If you are a NEET MDS aspirant of 2023, for that you have a certain facility which is associated with my channel. For any query, you can book the call and directly talk to me if you have any query in the MDS counseling. Now followed by that, you can join the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling, which is the fastest mode of sharing the information, discussion, guidance. Now let's talk about the first college of Uttar Pradesh, which is the private dental college, that is the Sardar Patel Postgraduate Institute of Dental Sciences and Medical Sciences. It is the private dental college which is present in Lucknow. It is established in the year 1995 and 1997. Till 2 years it takes to establish and form properly. Hospital attached is their own hospital is there. University is Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Awadh University. If we talk about the MDS seats, then there are 3 OMR seats, 3 oral pathology seats, 5 PhD seats, 6 perio seats, 6 oral surgery seats, 5 prostho seats, 5 endo seats, 5 pedo seat is there. Followed by the fees is nearly about total is 29,70,000 for all the 3 years of the MDS course. Reduce or the surrender of 2, that means MDS seat in the specialty of public health dentistry, that is the PhD, from 5 to 3 in range, that too per college, right, and that too on the college request. White letter is there which is out on the 12th December 2017 for the academic session of 2018 onwards. That means it simply says ki MDS in public health dentistry, you have a nearly about a seat which is in the range from 3 to 5, right, for every college. See, regarding the fees, now it is out with the voucher regarding the fees pattern of the UP dental colleges, that too for the session 2023 and 2024. A separate PDF is there regarding the UP fees. Whatever the fees I am telling you, that was earlier available on the website. So regarding the latest fee voucher which is released for the NEET MDS 2023 counseling, you can join the group and see the stuff from there, that too college wise and branch wise. Now let's see the previous year cutoff of All India Quota Counseling round, and that too regarding the NEET MDS 2022 counseling. So the journal category from All India Quota Counseling got MDS in orthodontics at the rank of 356, MDS in oral surgery got at a rank of 191, MDS in public health dentistry at the rank of 938, MDS in prosthodontics at the rank of 424 being the journal category from All India Quota Counseling NEET MDS 2022. MDS in periodontology at the rank of 604, MDS in endodontics at the rank of 234, MDS in pedodontics at the rank of 739. So if you have any of these rank, this rank will tell you where you stand, which branch you can get in UP, like through All India Quota Counseling. College is the Sri Bake Bihari Dental College and Research Center, Mussoorie, which is the private dental college, and it is established in the year 2004 and 2005. Hospital attached is the GS Medical and Dental Hospital. University is the Chaudhary Charan Singh University, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. If we talk about the seats which are available on the website normally, So the MDS seat is 5 prostho seats, 3 perio seats, 3 pedo seats, 3 OMR seats, 3 oral pathology seats, 3 ortho seats, 3 oral surgery seats and 5 endo seats. The fees which is available online like on a website or a previous year one, that is nearly about 31,70,000 for whole MDS course, that means for 3 years. If we talk about the previous year cutoff, that is the NEET MDS 2022 cutoff, All India Quota Counselling, that come under this college. So being a general category, a person got MDS in prosthodontics at the rank of 841. Second general category candidate got MDS in oral surgery at the rank of 69. Third general category candidate got MDS in endodontics at the rank of 773. Fourth MDS candidate being a general category got MDS in orthodontics and that too at a rank of 809. The Subharti Dental College and Hospital which is present in Meerut. It is the private dental college. It is established in the year 1996 and 7. It has its own hospital attached, that is the Chhatrapati Shivaji Subharti Hospital, and it is having its own university, that is the Swami Vivekanand Subharti University Meerut. If we talk about the MDS seats in this college, it has 2 OMR seats, 6 prostho seats, 6 perio seats, 6 ortho seats, 3 OS seats, 3 pedo seats and 2 oral pathology seats. The fees is nearly about, previously it was 12 lakhs approx. If you see the exact fees number previously, like previous year, it is 19,93,000 for all the 3 years of the MDS course. Now, if we talk about the previous year cutoff through the All India Quota Counselling of Subharti Dental College, that is for the general category candidate, MDS in periodontics at the rank of 49, MDS in oral surgery at the rank of 90, in pedodontics at the rank of 460, MDS in prosthodontics at the rank of 152 being the general category through the All India Quota Counselling, followed by MDS in orthodontics at the rank of 9, then MDS in endodontics at the rank of 96. Dental college which I am gonna review in this video is the Tirthankar Mahavir Dental College and Research Center, that is TMU Muradabad, which is the private dental college. Again, it is established in the year 2005 and 2006. The hospital attached is the Tirthankar Mahavir Medical College and Research Center. University is their own university, that is the TMU University Muradabad. Previous year, that is the 5 endo seat, 5 oral surgery seat, 5 OMR seats, 5 prostho seats, 5 perio seats, 5 ortho seats, 5 OP seats, 5 pedo seats, 5 PhD seats. Everything is 5 in number. Different clinical branch has different fees and the non-clinical branch has different fees here. Right? So nearly about for the clinical branch in the TMU, last year fees was 17,82,000 for whole 3 years of the MDS course, while OMR cost here is 5 lakh rupees previously, like previous year, and OP cost again 3,25,000 for whole year. I guess PhD MDS course is 5 lakh rupees. Now about the today's review video regarding the Uttar Pradesh private dental colleges. With my channel, more upcoming videos like this, and if you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming video. Thank you for watching.